The PFEDBB25 is our latest solution for vacuum bleeding vehicle brake and clutch systems. This tool utilizes the power of shop air to generate the necessary vacuum needed to bleed your systems, turning a normally two-person operation into a fast one-person task. This kit includes all the accessories needed to perform a vacuum bleed procedure on most common vehicle models on the road today. Accessories include the vacuum bleed hose with extra adapters, the master cylinder auto refill kit, which keeps the system reservoir filled during those long bleed cycles, and a 12-inch wand for quick evacuation of the remaining fluid from the reservoir, and precision reservoir filling when unit is switched to dispensing. Unit features a convenient flow control valve and button for quick selection between vacuum and pressure settings. Included on the top is a combination pressure and vacuum gauge and safety pressure relief valve to maintain reservoir pressure and vacuum and prevent overpressure situations. The new PFEDBB25 is just one of our many popular fluid handling products available for professionals. Visit our website today to learn more.